everyone. Happy Thursday. Guess how many days we have left of school? Today and tomorrow. So I'm happy and sad. It's going to be a great summer and it's going to be really great when we go back to school next year. Let's see what we have planned for today. Here's your slide. Obviously, this will be my video. Here's our last video chat schedule down here. I've already communicated with everyone as far as how we're going to find each other today. This is what I'm noticing that we're not doing. This says must do, right? We're still doing this, boys and girls. Social emotional learning. This is a fun story. My rotten, redheaded older brother. So I want you to listen to her read the story. She does a fun job with accents and everything. You're going to go to Flipgrid and you're going to share with the class what you enjoyed about the story. That's a must do. We're not new to this, boys and girls. I expect you to do this. This is how I know that you're involved in your learning. Smokey says good morning. And here are your choices. You get to, oh, today is Engineering Thursday. So your builders and creators create a design using Lego Life app. So you're going to have to download this app. If Chromebook doesn't allow it, maybe you can use a phone or an iPad. If you can't download any apps with any devices in the house, then what do? You make a different choice. You can explore NASA website. That's a really cool website. You can play right on target catapult game. That's really cool. He built this catapult and it shoots something at a target. Or here's another app that you would have to download. Build and test bridges using the Bridge Constructor app. So know that if you can't download an app, you're going to choose either the NASA or the catapult choice. Here's other choices if you want to have some more fun, and our last slide. So I'm really excited to see who's going to follow the directions. I know we're going to finish strong. Strong, boys and girls. I hope you've been physically active and working out. I have been, but we're also going to be strong mentally and finish strong with watching the video today, listening to a story. That's really something that everyone's capable of doing. And then you go to Flipgrid and share what you know, what you learned, what you enjoyed about it, and then your choice. I hope that you have a wonderful day today. I'm looking forward to our last video chats. If I missed you yesterday, some of us had some technology problems. Please reach out to me if you want to reschedule. I'm going to leave it to you because I'll know if you listen to this video if you wanted to reach out to me and reschedule the video chat that we missed yesterday. So I miss you. Mwah. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.